Hey there, it's Claire. Welcome to our channel where we transform complicated cooking into easy and fun experiences. Today, I have an incredibly tasty dish to share with you. You will find yourself reaching for more bite after bite, spicy beef slices. Did you like our show today? Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share our program with your friends. Don't worry if you can't find some ingredients. You can always replace specific vegetables or spices, like Chinese 13 spice powder or Cajun spice, with similar items you have. Keep your eyes on this channel, as we'll keep bringing you more exciting content. Bye for now.